raining in the Amazon. We're going to church in the rain. 144 bug bites.
But
44 bug bites? 144.
I don't want to ask where.
Yeah.
They're on my legs, my elbows, generally. We're going to do the last day of VBS today. It's only 2 days of VBS.
Oh, wow.
So really, it's really exciting. Ooh, look, poncho.
Wow.
Hi, Angel. Hi. We just finished VBS today. Hi. So sad. What did you think of the VBS?
What?
What did you think of VBS?
It was awesome. We had kids from all over this place come over 200.
There were
And they don't live
hundreds of kids here today, getting toys, candy, food. They came by boat on the little rivers right here. But we had VBS and it was really awesome. They came through and we gave them toys and clothing and stuff, and then they came and we fed them. I had to wake up pretty early today, but that was okay. Now we're just busy picking up trash and making sure that the church looks nice before we leave. Right, Tabby? I feel like it's already been a long day. I know, right? I was running around doing games with the kids, and I was yelling so much, and my throat got worse.
This is like the hot spot of trash right here.
Yeah. All the kids were like hanging out like right here. They were just crowded around over on the porch, trying to get in and like get more stuff. I didn't have the heart to be mean. They kept telling me, right, you just gotta everyone has to get something. You just make sure that everyone gets something, you know, and if they have something, go and take them off the porch. That's the hardest part for me. There's this one little girl, she was so adorable. She was crying. I don't know why she was crying, but she's just sitting off by herself bawling. And I come up to her and I was like, hey, you want to look at my camera? And she goes, yeah, I want to look at your camera. It was super cute. And then she ended up being my buddy. This one little girl kept following me everywhere.
This is Cove, wanting to catch a chicken. Or a rooster. Pretty intense. Let's see if she can do it. Who's she preying on?
she's 1 for 1 so far.
They're kicking it. Kicking the dead dog. I don't know if it is. Oh, there it is. There's the rooster. Cove sees her prey. She's like a lioness.
Observe the cove in your natural habitat.
She follows it slowly, creeps up on it. The unsuspecting chicken. He's getting nervous. He knows there's something going on. Oh!
I don't know.
Where's Cove? Disappointing. Causing a stir in the neighborhood.
Yeah, I didn't say it.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound, saving a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. I was blind, so blind, but Jesus make me see. Jesus make me, Jesus make me, Jesus make me see. Jesus make me see, Jesus make me see. Jesus make me see, yeah. Jesus make me see, yeah. Jesus make me, Jesus make me, Jesus make me see. Jesus make me see, Jesus make me see, Jesus make me
done with service. It was really awesome. And then we went in a boat in the middle of the Amazon at nighttime again.
Zam.
Amazon.
You said Zamazon.
No, Amazon.
We're in the Zamazon.
We're in the
There's
Amazon.
only one Z in Amazon.
Not in Cove's world. Yesterday we went swimming in the river. Kind of recorded some of that. It was really fun.
Made a nice film.
I played dead. Mikey failed to save me.
That was my role though, so I did a good job.
And then we had this awesome worship service in the church.
Like you can hear it.
It was really fun. It reminded me of like if I was a 6-year-old kid, if they had just put me in that church, they could have saved all of this trouble in the first place, like life trouble. It would be like, yeah, Jesus, yes, instead of you gonna take it, you can film it.
Gabby,
Yeah,
use the
Jesus,
camera.
yay!
Gabby, show yourself.
To yourself, camera.
What's a mosquito bite, Gabby? I got your nose. It's on camera. Oh, you got mine. Are you gonna throw it in the river again? You ate it. You know what? You can eat yours too. Eat it.
Don't forget to tell them about the bonfire.
We're gonna do a bonfire.
Awesome bonfire. We're gonna sing Hakuna Matata and dance like crazy Christian people around it.
In the jungle.
Crazy Christian people.
We're the crazy Christians.
We're on fire for Jesus.
We're gonna have a gang sign. The crazy Christians.
Crazy Christians.
Yeah, go like this. This is 2 seasons.
You know where it came from?
Crazy Christians.
What are you doing, Gabby?
Like all sorts of
Too close to my face.
That's
Why do you?
I can cry. I was not ready for that picture. I thought it was really good. Shame on me now.
You gotta keep going.
undone in the front seat of my car. Got one hand on the steering wheel, the other on my heart. I turned around, looked at the radio down, said, baby, is something wrong? I said nothing, I was just thinking how we don't have a song. And he said, our song is 7th Street North, thinking LA's passing on your window. When you're on the phone and talk real slow, 'cause it's late and your mama don't know. Our song is the way you laugh, first day's and a kiss that should have. But when I got home, for I said amen, asking God if he could play it again. Roses and the note that said, our song is 7th Street North, singing out late, tapping on your window. When we're on the phone and you talk real slow, 'cause it's late and your mama don't know. The first statement that should have. And when I got home, for I said amen, asking God if he could play it again. Nice song, guys!
I look around, turn the radio down. He says, baby, is something wrong? I say nothing, I was just thinking how we don't have a song. And he says,
Are you gonna get a video? This is really crazy.
We'll have to tell that
What do you guys think? Swimming in the...
Are you gonna be able to get this?
I'm this morning. I'm here with Gabby today. We're going to the market to go shopping, yeah? We're gonna go look at